Essential full gigabit connectivity meets industrial-grade reliability for practical network investment. Meet the MIES308G, an 8-port Layer 2 Gigabit unmanaged industrial Ethernet switch. 8 auto-negotiating Gigabit ports make industrial network expansion plug-and-play. A 16 gigabits per second switching backplane and 9 kilobytes jumbo frame support efficient industrial data flow. Dual wide voltage inputs support redundant power for industrial deployment. A fanless IP40 metal housing operates from -40 degrees Celsius to +75 degrees Celsius. Level 4 EMC protection helps maintain reliable communication in demanding electrical environments. Compact DIN rail mounting and low power consumption simplify cabinet deployment. Connect automation, energy, smart buildings, industrial parks, transportation, and machine vision with MIES308G.